Okay, welcome class. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a song using Soundtrap with the four different elements. The rhythm percussion, the bass line, the harmony, and the melody. First thing we're going to do is log into Soundtrap and then go down here to Enter Studio. Once you're in the studio, you have two options, a podcast or a music. We're going to create a song today for a protest song. And then I can come up here again and watch some tutorials, but I feel kind of confident with that. So I'm going to start with the browse loops. Okay, so I'm going to go to, it looks like there's beats, and I'm going to add drums. And actually, no. Nope. I have a specific beat in mind, so I'm going to do beats featured. There we go. I like that one. So we're going to add that right in there. It's going to show you exactly where it is in time. Think of this top kind of as a ruler. And then once it gets that purple, it's going to start over. So we're going to keep that for now. All right. So we created a beat, a rhythm. Now we're going to do a bass line. So I'm going to go over here to bass line. And I'm going to listen to a couple different ones. Okay, a little too intense. Okay. Oh. Kind of like that one. So I'm just going to drag it over here. Hit the beginning button and hear how it sounds together. Ah, nice. See how they kind of fit like a puzzle piece together? That's our goal. Cool. So the next thing we're going to do now is find a harmony. Now, there's a couple things that you can use for harmony. You could try EDM, that's electric dance music. You could try guitar. I'm going to stick with piano for now because that's a good, easy one to find. And we're going to just come down here and listen to some pianos. Okay. Ooh. Okay. I like that one. Okay, now let's say I don't like any of these. Like, I were to listen to it with Lunar and it just doesn't sound good. You just come here and delete it. I know it sounds good with Lunar, so I'm going to try... Uh-oh, where'd it go? Ha! It disappeared. There we go. Lunar. We're going to pull that back over here. Let's listen to what that sounds like all together. Okay, cool. So the last thing we're going to do is we're going to add a melody. Now, a melody is usually the vocal line. So when you go over here to click Add New Tracks, you're going to do voice or microphones. Okay, before we start this, you're going to want to have an idea of what you're going to talk about in your protest song. I just came up with a quick ad-lib thing. My thing is, my name is Mr. Brockman. I'ma keep on rocking. Trying to get you through these times, they are a-changin'. So notice I took a couple parts from my protest song that I researched and put it in there. Times they are a-changin'. Okay? So let's see what I can do with it. Well, my name's Mr. Brockman. I'm keep on rocking, trying to get you through these times. They are a-changin'. Oh yeah, yeah. Okay. So let's see what that sounds like. Well, my name's Mr. Brockman. I'm keep on rocking, trying to get you through these times. They are a-changin'. Okay, so for time's sake, we're going to keep that one in here. This is what it's going to look like. But let's say we want the vocals to come in a little bit later. You can click on this. That's going to get rid of the loops, but you can just double click on it again. It opens back up. We need to make this purple bar go longer because that's what's going to determine how long the song is. So this is, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we want to double that all the way to 16. When we, and it should be to the end of 16. Now what we can do is take this part and loop it. Okay, so that's going to be twice as long. I'm going to do that to all the instrumental or background parts, just because. Now I can take my vocal line and shift it over. Okay, so now let's hear it. Well, my name's Mr. Brockett. I keep on rocking, trying to get you through these times. They are a-changing. Okay, so if we like that, we're going to come up here. We're going to just name it. I'm going to call it Brockman Protest Song. I can get a better name later. That's fine. And then I'm going to just save it. And you've now created your first song. Good luck.